Hi.
Tall and thin and young and lovely, the gal from Ipanema.
Hey guys, it's Brooke. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do these curls. I love curling my hair, honestly. Well, I don't love curling my hair, but I love the look of curls so much. I think they're so beautiful and I love the kind of fullness that they have. It's always a little bit tricky with me when it comes to like my bangs, but I'm going to be showing you guys today how I do these beautiful, loose, voluminous curls. Very simple. I do them really easy and very like time efficient. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I love Instagram, honestly. It is one of my favorite platforms. I love posting fashion pictures on there. My username is Brooke Armis. It'll be linked down below. So if you want to support me, if you want me to support you, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And if you want to see how I got these beautiful curls, then keep watching. Yeah, don't do that. Do this. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. I already went ahead and put some dry shampoo on because my hair was a little bit greasy, but it's not anymore, so it's totally fine. And then I also went ahead and sprayed some of this. This is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner, but it also works as a heat protectant spray, so that's why I use it. Because I don't have like a real heat protectant spray right now, so I put this in my hair maybe like 5 minutes ago so it would dry a little bit, because sometimes it gets a little bit wet. So it's a little bit wet right now, but it'll be fine. Also, this morning I was telling myself I was gonna have a great day, I was gonna work out, I was gonna film, I was gonna do all this stuff, and then this morning, I don't know if you can see, but I cracked my screen, and this half of the screen, and also there's like this half of the screen doesn't work. So I'm very happy about that. I can't even text people without speech typing. It's really fun, and I have to pay like $200 to get it fixed. I'm really excited about it. I'm not gonna put my pain on you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys first the curling iron that I am using. This is the Do Ball curling iron, which they actually went ahead and sent to me to see if I would like to use it and see if I like it, and I actually really do. I never heard of the company before until I found them, but they make a lot of like skincare type of products, and they make a bunch of different curling irons, straighteners, that type of stuff. This is their Desire series, and it comes in pink, which is really cute. I used this last week and I really liked it. It has a glove which actually fits me so well, and I use this because first of all, I don't want to burn my hands off, and secondly, I hate when like the ends of the curl isn't curled all the way, so I like to make sure it's on there. And I like how this is a little bit smaller because you don't want like big gloves on and then you have to like, I don't know, it's just annoying. So this one actually is really nice. I know a lot of people don't use it, but I use it. So in this specific series, there are two different sizes of curling barrels. This is the 25mm one, so this one is the smaller one. And then they also have a 32 if you want like a really big curl. I'm still gonna do big curls today, but I like to use a smaller barrel just because my hair doesn't, it's not that my hair doesn't hold curl, but it holds curl not amazingly. So I like to use this, and I like to let it cool, and it actually does give me big curls, so I would opt for this one. So they actually did give me a coupon code for you guys to use on their website for 70% off, which is really amazing. You can use the code Brooke70 at checkout to get 70% off, which is kind of insane. I don't get any like commission from it, so it's nothing like that, but they just gave it to me so you guys can have it and see their products. So yeah, okay, anyways, let me curl my hair. Before my curls, I like to section my hair off into 2 sections just because it is way easier, and I normally don't do it very like precise. I don't really do it super precisely, but I do like the front like this and kind of just, Okay, so for my hair, I normally like to do most of them going outward, away from my face, kind of that sort of 70s look, but I also do like to incorporate some of them going different ways, especially on the top sections, just because it just gives more dimension and it's not all, you know, one way. So I do like that. I'm gonna put this glove on. I feel like I'm a surgeon. Like, the bottom section, I'm very chill with it. I usually will take larger sections. They never really have to be perfect just because the bottom isn't really seen, you know. This one I'm gonna do going away from my face, and I try to just get it high up. Now this one's near my ear, so I obviously don't want to like go too high, and then let go. Now, one thing that I do with these curls is I do not mess with them until they are completely cooled. So I will not touch it, I will not mess with it, open it, anything like that until it is completely cooled. Sometimes I'll kind of like hold it like this and wait for it to cool a little bit, or I'll pin it like this, but that's only if I want like a really tight curl, so that's not what we want today. I'm gonna do this side too so you guys can see. And I don't really have like I never count when I'm like doing it. I don't have like a specific time or anything like that. I kind of just like hold it for like 30 seconds maybe. I don't really know. And wrap it around. And then I'm gonna let it go. And I'm gonna let that stay like that until it cools. So I think I got everything from the bottom section. I'll show you. I hope it looks good. I don't really know exactly what it looks like. Yeah, it looks nice. So I am going to take this down now. Okay, anyways, so I am going to put it all down. Now, it's pretty obvious to be able to tell what sections are curled and what aren't. I mean, you can just look at the length. I am going to go ahead and start off with the front. I usually do kind of go in like a circle. I start like here or here and kind of just go around. But I'm going to go ahead and start with the front. Now, the front two sections are honestly one of the most important sections. So I usually actually take pretty big sections because it takes less time. Just to make sure that there's enough volume at the top crown of the head. That's important because you don't want just like volume on the bottom and then like flat on the top. You want to be able to have it very like nice looking. I mean, obviously, but whatever. 100-degree stick right next to my face. Ta-da! Again, I'm not going to touch it until it cools completely. I did all of the sections besides the front. I hope it looks good in the back. The bangs. That's usually the hardest part because you can't like curl them, you know? Finally got my bangs to cooperate. I'm going to fix them a little bit in a minute as well. I normally will straighten them, like flip them back like this just because it's really easy, but I'm going to let these cool, and then when I mix my hair up, I'm gonna probably fix them again. And for curls, I like to use a like soft hairspray to hold it obviously, but to make sure that it has that flexibility, because I have used like really hard hairspray before on curls and it makes them crunchy and like just not cute. So this is the one I'm gonna be using today. I'm going to just run my fingers through it and kind of just break it up. see what it looks like in the back. So that is how I get my hair to look like this. This is what it looks like in the back. I love doing these curls. I mean, I always have a problem with my bangs just because that's a me problem. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something how I curl my hair. Make sure to use my coupon code Brooke70 to get 70% off your order. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel because we are so close to 9,000 subscribers. So please make sure to subscribe and help support this channel if you liked this video and if you want to see other videos from me. So yeah, alright, I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Bye.